Welcome back, everyone. So we're testing a Volkswagen here. Did a combustion leak test for the cooling system, and we're also running a coolant circuit ventilation test here. Warranty companies don't want to pay for coolant bleed and fill. This minimum procedure is 25 to 35 minutes, not including filling the system and vacuuming it down, and they do not want to pay. Is that insane? This is just to verify a repair or verify a problem. So visual inspection, scan for codes, top the coolant off if necessary, or fill the cooling system after repair, and then spend 40 minutes more, if not an hour more, and the warranty companies don't want to pay for this. They put it back on the customer. But it is a required repair procedure.